What's going on, everybody? Bones here with CAJUN RNEWBBQ. Today we're going to do up some soul wings. What are those, you might ask? Well, this is wings that are encrusted with soul food seasoning. This is the same seasoning that I created and then gave to the dude over at the Grilling Dude. He absolutely loved it. Put it on everything, just like me. So today we're going to go ahead and put it on some wings. Go ahead, cook them up, and show you how to do it. Stick around, we're going to get right to it. Start off by taking the wings out of the packaging, pat them dry, and then put them in the fridge for at least 90 minutes. Let that skin dry out some. Then go ahead and put them on a sheet pan. Put on some of the cooking spray and then liberally coat it with the soul food seasoning. Make a nice crust with that seasoning. Flip them over and repeat the process. Now we're going to go ahead and start up with the grilling portion. So, going to go ahead and put our wings to one side of the fire. I've got a nice medium high heat with our royal oak charcoal on the other side in a smoker basket. Put a nice chunk of pecan wood sitting on top of our grate. You can put your wood into the charcoal basket. Either way works, just what I did for this cook. Now, what you need to do is every 15 minutes, move those wings around. Got to keep them moving. So that way, one, they don't burn, and two, they don't get all that smoke concentrated just on the ones that are really close by. Yes, the smoke kind of moves throughout the grill, but you don't want the ones really close to the smoke to get overly saturated. So keep them moving, folks, and they'll turn out really, really great. Pull them off at about 45 minutes to an hour. Check them, make sure they're at temp, and then pull them. And we're done. Literally, no time at all. Y'all know I say that a lot, but with wings, literally, no time at all. So, let's go ahead and dig into this whole wing here. Oh, how I've missed that. Beautiful flavor. Nice color on these wings. Nice herbiness. Got a nice spice level to it with that cayenne and paprika. A little bit of black pepper to it too. So good, folks. Oh, so good. Nice and tender. If you like what I'm doing, you know what to do. Thank you and have a good day.